When thinking about how often you should email your subscribers, you need to think about who your audience is, what your time frame looks like, and how much time you can dedicate to writing emails. There is no formula or best number of emails to do. You can send once a week, 5 times a week, or once a month. It just depends on you and who your audience is. So how often will you have something to share with them? And will they want to know about it? You don't want to overwhelm your subscribers, but you also don't want to go months without emailing them. If you're just starting out, we recommend about 1 email a month and see how it goes. The key is to be consistent. Consistency really is the key to email marketing. As I said, you don't want to send emails once a week for a month, but then not email for months after. Keeping to the same schedule is important, so people get used to it and remember when they can expect a new email or a new piece of content from you. So if you're writing a new blog post, that could be your email to let everyone know about it. And it doesn't need to be complicated. Use an image that is engaging and a paragraph or two, or a few images, whatever works for you. You don't have to overcomplicate it. Just get your message across effectively and make it easy for people to find your content by adding a link. As you have more to write about and more time, you can communicate more. Also, look at your engagement. Are people opening your emails, subscribing to you, or unsubscribing more since the beginning? These will help you decide how frequent you send out emails as well. You don't want to go months without talking to your subscribers, but if there's a week you don't have anything to share, that's fine. You don't want to be sending out anything and everything. You want your content to be loved by your subscribers and for it to relate to them. You want them to look forward to your next piece of content. I love this simple quote: quality, not quantity. Remember, your content calendar will show you what you're posting on what days, so it's all organized and you can plan ahead. Your content is far more likely to be opened, enjoyed, shared, and your brand to expand if you're creating quality content. To get some inspiration on writing your campaigns, MailChimp has a great resource over at inspiration.mailchimp.com. You can browse some of the latest campaigns that have been used by millions of companies worldwide. Some have lots of text, and some use more images than others. You'll see recurring themes such as call to actions on a lot of these campaigns. Click here, buy now, check it out. Each of these campaigns targets a different audience, so it's interesting looking through and learning what works best. These campaigns match the brand's website, which is good to keep in mind. You want to keep the look and feel matching your brand. It's also important to know your audience and what they're interested in, so you can create compelling email marketing. Another good way to find some inspiration is to sign up to people that you admire or relate to your business or service. Sign up to your competitors and you can learn how they write content, what they're talking about, or how they are designing and their approach to their email marketing. Of course, you don't want to copy them, but you can gain inspiration and you can learn a lot on how things are presented and how their subscribers receive that. Remember to be unique and different so you stand out and can be noticed.